one of the first to arrive here. We're like number 2, right? And it's a good thing we have food. Once you eat mo na, kain muna tayo. They have lots of computers. I think there's outlets here. And I will live vlog. Ganito ito.
Yes, in a few minutes this will be uploaded also.
It's a good thing. We're near the power source. Right?
Alright.
So the day just started. It's only 6:30. Call time of media is 6:30. Should all be here. I think they're meeting. That's great. There's Wi-Fi. Ano Wi-Fi natin dito?
Globe.
Oh, that's great. I heard it's supposed to be smart. So, at least we have a production team. We have Cholo. Peter is making pwesto of Anton so that we have a good view of the oak taking. So,
You have to wait 6 hours. For 6
that's not
hours.
so bad because in Quarry I stayed in the truck for 9 hours. Rain and shine in a moving truck. Imagine that. So this is really nothing. At least dito may pagkain. We have food, we
Air
have
condition.
aircon, and we have Wi-Fi. So
That's the best thing.
yeah,
Wi-Fi.
yeah, I have been through worse, so this is okay. We can survive this. So now I'll be live vlogging.
Alright. We'll check
And,
outside
You check outside?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll live vlog what's happening right now.
and then this will be uploaded in 10 minutes.
Okay. By 10 minutes.